I'm going to show you how to add or remove blank space between WordPress blocks the easiest way. No plugins, no code. Start on your WordPress login screen, enter your username or email, then your password, and click Login. Once the dashboard loads, I'm editing a page, so I'll click Pages in the left sidebar and then All Pages. If you're working on a blog post, it's Posts and then All Posts. I'll hover over the page that needs fixing and click Edit. The editor opens on the heading and paragraph I want to fix. The heading is sitting right on top of the paragraph, so I'll click the paragraph block. The blue outline and toolbar appear above it. Over on the right, the block settings panel is open. If you don't see it, click the gear icon in the upper right corner to open settings. With the paragraph still selected, I'll find the dimensions section and click it to expand. Depending on your version and theme, you may see margin, padding, and block spacing here. To add space outside this paragraph, I want margin. I'll click into the top margin field and type 20. Watch the paragraph drop away from the heading as I press Enter. That field only controls space outside the block. I'll also set the bottom margin to 20 because this paragraph is too close to the button underneath it. The button moves down with the paragraph so the space stays consistent. 20 pixels is enough for most sections. I would not jump to 50 or 100 right away. The live preview is right here in the editor, so you can see whether 20 feels right before you save. Now to remove space, I'll click the heading block, open dimensions again, and check its bottom margin. See this value? If yours already has a number there, select it and type 0, or click the reset icon next to the field. The space closes up immediately. Space is not always margin. If you have a colored group block or a white card, the extra room is often padding. I'll click this group, open dimensions, and look at padding. Padding is the space inside the block or container between the edge and the text. Watch when I lower the padding from 40 to 20. The text moves closer to the edges of the box, but the box itself doesn't move. Now I'll add 20 pixels of margin to this same group, and the entire box pushes away from the block above it. That's the difference. Margin is outside, padding is inside. For layout blocks like group, columns, or row, there's one more control: block gap or block spacing. I'll select this group and look under Layout, and there's the gap value. Lowering it from 20 to 10 tightens the space between the blocks inside the container without changing their own margins. If you only see it move a little, check the parent block. Sometimes the blank area is an actual spacer block. I'll click in this empty section of the page, look at the toolbar, it says Spacer. That's the culprit. I'll click the 3 dots in the toolbar and choose Delete. The blank space collapses right away. That is usually the fastest way to remove a huge gap. If you want a fixed empty gap instead, click the plus icon in the editor. Type spacer in the search bar, click the spacer block. WordPress drops it right into the page. With the spacer selected, there's a height control in the toolbar or settings. I'll set it to 20 pixels. This is useful when you want a deliberate visual gap between two sections, but don't scatter these everywhere. Margin is cleaner for normal spacing. Here's a specific example. This heading has too much space above it. I'll click the heading. In dimensions, I'll reduce the top margin to 0. The heading moves up. If that doesn't close the gap, click the block above it and check its bottom margin. Usually one of the two is carrying the extra space. Same idea under a button. I'll select the buttons block, open dimensions, and reduce the bottom margin. The content below it moves up. If you set the button margin to 0 and it still looks spaced out, check the block underneath. If the spacing just won't budge, it's probably coming from a parent block. I'll click the group that contains the heading and paragraph, open dimensions, and check both padding and block gap. The individual blocks can be at 0 and the group can still be pushing them apart. That's where List View saves you. I'll click the List View icon at the top left of the editor. It opens the block structure. Now I can see the group, the heading, a spacer I forgot about, and the paragraph. I'll click that hidden spacer in List View, open the toolbar, and delete it. The gap disappears, and now the structure is clean. One thing I would not do is press Enter 4 times to make space. Watch what happens when I click between the heading and paragraph and hit Enter. It creates empty paragraph blocks, and they can make spacing inconsistent across the page. Same with hammering the spacebar. Those are not layout tools. Use margin, padding, block gap, or a spacer. Before saving, check the mobile preview. I'll click Preview and choose Mobile. A 20 pixel margin that looked fine on desktop might become a huge gap on a phone if you used a larger value. I'll scroll through and make sure the sections still look balanced. Once it looks right, click Update in the top right. If it's a new page or post, the button says Publish. Then click View Page to see the live result. While you're in here, the quickest trap I'd fix next is hidden spacers. Open List View and delete any spacer block that isn't doing a real job. Another one. A group block can have a block gap of 30 or 40 from the theme. Select each group and drop that to 20 or less for a cleaner look. And after any spacing change, always switch to Mobile Preview from the top toolbar. A desktop margin is not guaranteed to look right on a phone. If this kept your page from looking broken, give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.